In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Sora SEO2 blogger template. First, let's make sure we have everything we need, starting with downloading the template. Head to your favorite internet browser and get the Sora SEO2 template in XML format, either from the official source or wherever you usually get your templates. Once you have the file, save it to a convenient location on your computer. This is your main template file, and keeping it handy is crucial, as you'll need it soon. Next, let's log into Blogger. Open a new browser tab and navigate to blogger.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're inside your Blogger dashboard, choose the specific blog you want to customize with the new template. If you have multiple blogs, make sure you've selected the right one. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to back up your current theme, so if anything doesn't go as planned or you simply change your mind, you can easily revert back. In the Blogger dashboard, go to Theme, click on Backup, How to Restore, and then Download. This ensures you have a saved version of your current theme that you can revert to if necessary. Now, we'll upload the Sora SEO2 template. Go back to Theme in your Blogger dashboard, then click Backup, How to Restore, and choose the file option. Select the Sora SEO2 XML file you saved earlier, and click on Upload. Give it a moment to apply the new template to your blog. Once the template is uploaded, it's time to configure the layout and widgets to personalize your blog. Navigate to the Layout section within the Blogger dashboard. Here, you'll have the flexibility to drag and drop gadgets and widgets as needed. Take some time to adjust settings for things like the header, logo, menu, or navbar, and sidebar widgets. You might include popular posts, categories, or social links in your sidebar. Once you've made all your adjustments, be sure to save the layout changes. Next, we'll customize the theme settings to match your brand. Head over to Theme and click Customize. This section allows you to tweak colors, fonts, background, and a variety of other design elements, making sure your blog reflects your personal style or brand identity. Once you're satisfied with the look, don't forget to save your customized settings. With the basics set up, let's focus on vital SEO and analytics settings. Go to Settings, then Search Preferences, and customize your SEO settings by adding any necessary meta tags or a robots.txt file. If you want to track your visitors or their interactions on your blog, you can integrate Google Analytics. To do this, go back to Theme, select Edit HTML, and enter the Google Analytics tracking code just before the closing tag. As a final step, preview the updated blog to ensure everything looks just right. Simply click on Preview, and if you're satisfied, go ahead and save or publish your blog. Congratulations! Your Sora SEO2 Blogger template is now fully set up and good to go.